to use Magic Unicorn. Press the suction button for 1 second to turn on. Press on the suction button to switch between percent suction frequencies. Press on the tease button to change tease frequency. Finger pressure controls sucking and teasing intensity. Press the suction button for 3 seconds to turn off. Turn on the Bluetooth. Open the Magic Motion app. Turn on Magic Unicorn. Click to connect the app. Connected. Music control. Hand-drawn control. Voice control. Different patterns. Allows hand-drawn control, music control, customizable controls, and sending text, images of voice messages, emojis. Charging light on, full charge in about 180 minutes. Lights off when fully charged. Skin-friendly silicone, soft and comfortable.